Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Speakly for language retention, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Speakly website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, such as your email address and password. Verify your email if prompted, following the instructions sent to your inbox. Once logged in, select the language you wish to learn from the available options. Complete the initial assessment to gauge your current language level. Based on your assessment, Speakly will recommend a personalized learning plan. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface and its features. Click on the Lessons section to access your first set of vocabulary and phrases. Engage with the interactive exercises designed to enhance retention. Utilize the spaced repetition feature to revisit challenging words over time. Make a habit of practicing daily, even if it's just for a few minutes. Take advantage of the listening exercises to improve comprehension and pronunciation. Join the community forums or groups to connect with other learners. Set specific goals within the app to track your progress. Regularly review your achievements and adjust your learning plan as needed. Incorporate Speakly's real-world scenarios to apply what you've learned. Experiment with speaking practice through voice recognition tools. Be consistent and patient, allowing yourself to gradually build language skills. Keep refining your learning strategies to align with your goals. Congratulations, you're on your way to effectively retaining your new language with Speakly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.